What up, Retro Retchers? So today, it's got something going on a little bit different. It's a tow. So my dad's got his truck and it won't start. We put a fuel pump in it a while ago and it just decided not to work anymore. Anyway, so we're gonna go load that up and take it into town and get it fixed. All right, so we're here and we have a trailer and it has a winch. And I remembered this because a lot of times I forget this for the winch. We're gonna pop open the hood, see if we can get the battery hooked up to here, and then pull the old girl up there. How many miles is on your is on that silver truck?
Silver truck is just about to 200,000.
All right, so you got a ways to go.
Yeah, I've got another 100,000 to go.
Yeah, you gotta reach 300,000.
Now we do have this was the second fuel pump. Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
We put it in, it didn't work, so we had to get another.
So I remember when we did that. We put it up and it wouldn't start. We pulled the tank back down and it was like the plug wouldn't go in all the way.
Yes.
So.
But then we figured out it was also we went and got another one.
Oh, you did?
We replaced it twice.
Oh, okay. Was I there for both times?
You were.
Oh. That just shows you, like, sometimes memory is weird, you know? We're gonna outsource it this time. We could do it, but it's just, it's a time thing.
I got a really good deal for the outsource.
Oh, yeah. See? And that's what you want.
And the pump is still on warranty.
Oh, hey. So would you say you have some connections?
I do have some connections.
Yeah. That was
a good one. A duck.
Yeah.
Went to the pharmacy.
Oh boy. Oh, I know this one.
And got some chapstick.
Yeah. He said put it on his wing?
No, put it on my bill.
Dang it. I'll get it next time. There, I'll hold this one so it doesn't shockaroo it. Negative to the positive, positive to negative.
See, the positive to the negative to the positive. There.
Oh boy. Clear.
We have goodness.
All right. So, yeah, so you want this sucker right there
first,
and then. There you go, perfect. And then don't let them touch. Bring this over here. Brilliant. And then, remember last time I had to have that wire?
Yes, we had the jumper.
Oh my word. This is weird to be so prepared. This is kind of odd for me for one, Retro Inches too. Oh yeah. Well, we'll just give us like 10 minutes and we'll be there. Climbing over, it's okay. All right, we got her loaded up. We're gonna head in town, get her fixed. Alrighty, we are here at the shop. Well, we had them on there.
Served its purpose.
It served its purpose well.
We have come to a place that's called Ethan's Honest Automotive, and that was the whole reason he started the business, is because he felt he wanted a place that people felt they could know that they were getting an honest shake. He has been great to work with me anytime I need to plug in a car or something, even though I work on my own vehicles a lot. Very reasonable prices. That's why we're here.
Yeah, shout out to Ethan. Good job, Ethan. Alrighty, let's get this beast off. Oh. So I think I'm gonna have to give you just a little push, but it should roll off.
Okay. And then see how well I can roll into the spot.
Do you think it'll work?
Think it'll work?
It would take a miracle.
It'll take a miracle. Okay. I put this down.
One hour later.
But I think we'll be fine. Ready? That works.
Okay.
All right, as you saw, we had to push it up the hill just a little bit, but yeah, we got it unloaded. So we're got one thing done today. Ethan's gonna fix her up for my dad, and then for that I'll have his truck back. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.